Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today's Market Monday kit is a grab bag. The kits are $20 a piece. The information is below. Send me an email if you're interested and I will let you know if I have one left, and then you can pay through PayPal. So this is just a grab bag mix of different things from the recycle store. They have not been sorted or counted, or it is just a mix. And again, there are 5 of them, but none of them are going to be exactly the same. I did try, like, if there was areas of like a bunch of one thing, to put one in each kit, or 2 or 4 or whatever. But they're definitely not going to be the same. You may see something here that might not be in your kit. There may be something in your kit that's not here. But these are just some of the different types of things and how it's going to come. So it's a U-sort package. So this kit has a couple of pieces of leather. And all of these things come from a recycle store. This is felt, where these are, and this is velvet. These things come from factories that these are their offcuts, and they send them to a recycle store where they're sold for a nonprofit. So, but this is, I use this as a flower forming sponge. When you make your paper flowers and you want to press them to make them dome up and everything, this works really well for that. That's my favorite thing to use that for. This is sticky on the back, and there's some sticky circles, and this is a mesh. This is new to me. It's just kind of a mesh oval. I haven't used these yet, but I think they'd make great texture underneath your paint and stuff on a mixed media piece. They might work good to spray through or to ink through. I'm not really sure because the squares are so small, but those are really kind of cool. And there's just all sorts. I use these as a label stamp. They're sticky on one side and not the other. There's some that's a double-sided sticky circle, and this is a 3-piece. It's got an edge, little circles, and a center. And there's a square one like that. But these I put on paper towel rolls. Stretch them out over a paper towel roll and use them to roll across a jelly plate, or put paint on it and then roll it across your a painting or project you're working on. They're really fun to use. So this is a double-sided sticky, looks like about between 1/8 and 1/4 inch thick circle. So, and there's lots of little bits, and that's a double-sided triangle, something to use on your jelly plate or your projects for texture to dab the paint on. This is double-sided sticky. These are great for stamps. This is just a foam square, very kind of dense foam, little velvet circle. The blue ones are double-sided, I know that. This is a little piece of maybe like faux leather, or it might be real leather. I don't know. It's got paper on the back. And some other single-sided sticky on one side. There are some tubes and just all sorts of, these are sticky on one side and a milky kind of clear to put on your projects. But each one of these kits will be a little the same and a little different. So like I said, it was just, instead of sorting it all out and counting it out and putting it in kits that I thought went together, I thought maybe you would just want to have a little bit of all the different things and decide what you want to do with them, and, you know, sort them out yourself and put them in different baggies and that type of thing, so you know what you've got. But it's kind of fun when you dump out a bag and then you know, as you're sorting through it, it's like, oh, that's kind of cool, and oh, what's that? So this is different size tubing. So this is how the kits are going to come. When you dump them out, that's what they're going to kind of look like. Again, there's 5 of them. They're all a little bit different. And if you are interested, send me an email. My email address is below, and I will let you know if I have any left, and you can pay at that time with PayPal. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you want to make sure that you know each time I do put up any kind of a video, if you click the bell, it will let you know each time that I put a video up, and that way you'll know there's something there, and you can see if it's something you might want to watch or maybe not. So thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.